So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 4, My Point of View. So, my dear students, in the previous activity, we have discussed activity number 5 and 6. Activity 6 I have sent PDF also that you can see and you can write in your fan notebook. Now let us see activity number 7. The following sentences use verbs that are in passive voice. There are many reasons for using passive voice. One reason we might use passive voice for a verb is that we want to make the person doing the action of the verb seem less important. Passive voice you might have studied in a lower classes in 6, 7, even in 8th standard also. You may be studying in a grammar, okay, like a subject, object and verb. Subject will be replaced by object, object will be replaced by subject, and accordingly verb will be changed. If it is simple present tense, then am, is, are plus past participle of the verb. If it is present continuous tense, then am, is, are plus being plus past participle of the verb. Likewise, if it is have, has, then have been, has been. Past continuous tense, then was, were plus being plus past participle of the verb. The same way past tense, past perfect tense, had, then had been. Okay, likewise active passive, that you know. Now here one example is given. Jitendra wrecked the car. Here wrecked is active voice and the person who did wrecking is obvious. Here important is wrecked. It is active work. But who has it done, that is obvious. Okay, wrecked. The car was wrecked. The car was wrecked. Here was wrecked is a passive voice. Was wrecked is a passive voice. We don't know who wrecked the car. That we don't know. But passive voice, the car wrecked. Jitendra has done, that we don't know here. Here not given. Here subject will go at the object place, that is not shown. So was wrecked is passive voice and we do not know who has wrecked the car. Now let us see next. Decide if the sentence is active or passive. If it is active or passive, if it is active, then A you should write in front of the sentence, and passive, then B you should write. First, a meeting for high-level official is scheduled later this month. A meeting for high-level official is scheduled. Here we know that in this we know here passive voice because is schedule is important, not who scheduled it. Then agency have not been able to identify these luminous flying objects. Have not been able this. It is have failed in identifying the object is important. Okay, it is failed to show. Here we will write A. Then he was asked if these people have provided strong evidence. Have provided in active voice. We will write here A also, and was asked. So P also. Then hundreds of UFOs or alien aircraft have been sighted inside the Indian territory. Here have been sighted. So we will write here P, passive voice. Then it was believed that the extraterrestrial might be sending the UFO. Might be sending. Is it? It is active voice. And was believed, it is passive voice. So P there we will write. Many sightings of unidentified objects were documented. Passive voice. Okay, then next. Many such incidents have been reported in the last year. Have been reported. So P, passive voice, there will come. Then the army flew a drone in the direction of the floating object. Here flew. Their active voice. The measurements were taken and sent to the IIAP. Were taken, then passive voice. Then the radar could not detect these objects. Could detect. It is simple. So it is active voice. The signals could not be received. So it is passive voice. Signal could not be received. So it is passive voice. Then we are worried that there may be a problem. Are worried. Are plus past participle of the verb. So passive voice will come. Okay. So my dear students, today till here we will see. I will send PDF. You can see and you can complete in your fair notebook. Okay. So see you later. Thank you very much. Goodbye.